heading back to the hotel.
Hi!
Hello guys.
And for our final song, Go Buddy! Ang hanap ng puso daw. Ikaw ang
Heading back to the hotel. Here we go again. End of first day.
Just as cold as the song of the hits on the cloud. I try to keep you, but you won't stop. Just as bright as the sun when the clouds are in its way. I try to make you see me, but I'm standing in the...
Alright, good morning. This is day 2 of our SG
Yay! Good morning!
vacation. So good morning guys.
Good
So,
morning! Si mga pinardo sa video ko.
this is the breakfast area here at Very Best with your sofas here. You're enjoying some quiet time for herself. So guys, what attraction in Universal Studio are you looking forward to?
Hey! Oh, before we forget, today's theme song is, Mari, you give the tune. Tuloy pa rin ang awit na... Hindi yan. Binago.
Oh.
Kasi may card failed.
Why?
Mahuhuli kayo.
Bakit? Insufficient. Let's check first our load there.
Ganun talaga. Isang kulang. Binigay mo ng lahat, merong kulang pa din. Saan? Oh, yan.
28.2.
Pero nakalagay kasi, please top up.
Yeah, insufficient value.
Baka kasi malayo yung pupuntahan natin.
方向的乘客可以在月台。
And then it will analyze the card and then add value.
It's not.
Choose cash and then insert your cash. $10 naman. Kung ilan narinig yung comments ko. Alright, good morning. We are now in Sentosa.
Yes, good morning!
Good morning.
Hello,
Ah.
Mr. Vlogger!
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Vlogger!
So we're now going
Hi, good
to
morning! Dito ako live, kasi maganda to, hindi to live. So, pwedeng i-edit. Pwede marami akong pwede sabihin.
Wala, nasabi na lahat.
Mr. Vlogger.
Nalaman na nila lahat ng dapat malaman.
So we're now walking towards Universal Studio.
Towards you.
So at Tijet, how long is the walk?
This is going to be 18-minute walk.
Okay.
18?
18 minutes, yeah.
But there are a lot of fun
But it
things.
depends on
It
how
depends
many
on-
minutes.
It
Kung kayo
depends on
ay-
your legs.
Buti pa to nagtatagal yung relasyon ninyo.
Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng
buhay ko!
Bago.
May vocalizer naman pa. Mga 45 days naman yung vocalizer. Tira mo. Hindi, okay lang yan.
Parang
Alright, so here we are almost at Universal Studios. So we are now walking towards Universal Studio entrance. And this is Trek Eye Museum with a lot of kids already waiting to go inside. Okay, Team Red.
Yes!
What?
You're the red team.
Red team, are you ready?
Roller coaster kami, roller coaster.
Red.
Red team.
Yung mga hindi pare-pareho.
Ano na lang white.
Wala siyang kapartner.
Yung iba-ibang kulay. Yung iba-ibang kulay.
Kayong dalawa ni Van.
Ayun pa si ate.
Ano ba si Iwe?
Pare-parehas, magkakaiba sila. Technicolor sila.
The Technicolors versus the team.
Yung black.
Oh, red team, roller coaster kayo
No,
mamaya.
Transformer! Transformer only! Transformer!
Wala na, talo na kami. Yung isa may sakit, yung isa matanda.
Nakakaba yung mukha mo!
I'm intoxicated. Ivy drip, give me it. Give me it. Ivy drip. I'm intoxicated.
Alright, so here we go.
We're in US. First time day off.
It's our first day. First day.
First date? Yeah,
First
it's
day
my
off.
first date today.
Good luck.
Just as cold as the soul of my hands when I start knocking on the doors of your broken heart. Just as bad as the times when I tried to make it stay, but you wouldn't believe me, cause your doubt wasn't your way. You're the one that I was wrong in. You've been loved your whole life, but you've never been there. You wake up on the right side of the bed every morning. You've been good your whole life, never ever been there. You're so untouchable. Feels like I'm playing with fire, cause I can't get close to touching you. And you can't tell me that you don't dream about love when you know you do. Girl, you know you do.
Hey, this is Merlion. And I'm with my merry friends.
Hi! Morning!
Clark.
Hi,